Madden 20 actually gets a career mode. Now, I know I usually don't do little update videos like this. I'm not Keemstar, but I do think it's important. I'm gonna get 100 questions about this, so I wanted to make this video real quick and get out to you guys today. Patrick Mahomes is officially the cover athlete. I think that makes sense. He had an incredible year. No one's really gonna complain about that. So EA dropped this commercial on SportsCenter. I'll try and play mode finally. Now, I will say after reading about it, it's kind of clickbait. When I think of career mode, I'm thinking NCAA Dynasty. You start in high school, you get crazy good stats, you get drafted by any college team that you want, right? Then you go play for that college team. You can play for a year, you can play for 4 years. It's up to you. Try and win the Heisman. Then hopefully you get a really good NFL draft pick, which gives you a higher salary, kind of how 2K does VC. And then you go to an NFL team and you get traded, you bounce around, blah, 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 blah. Well, this is kind of like a shittier version of that. This is called QB1 mode. So let's talk about the restrictions right off the bat. For one, you're a quarterback, no matter what. That's pretty cool. Most people would be a quarterback anyway, but like, I don't know. I had some pretty sick wide receiver ones. I was a halfback 1 year. I was a linebacker 1 year in NCAA, so it's kind of lame that you're forcing me to be the quarterback. You're forced to be a quarterback. You're also forced to do one of these 10 college teams: Clemson, Florida State, Miami, Florida, LSU, Oregon, USC, Texas, Oklahoma, Texas Tech. Those are some really pretty good teams, but I'm mad because I'm on Michigan State. There's no Alabama, which I find so surprising. They're like the most obvious powerhouse. I don't know if this is an NCAA legality thing though, because everyone knows the NCAA just notoriously sucks. That's just a fact. I think this is a really good step in the right direction though for the NCAA football franchise. If they've got 10 college teams in this and we're actually going to be playing on the college teams, I think that means we're moving in the direction of a new NCAA game, which would be amazing. Everyone wants that, obviously. All things considered, it's pretty cool that we're at least getting something this year. Most of the time, we just get the same game, kind of, you know, rinse, recycle. So at least we got a new mode. It's not long shot, which was the dumbest shit ever, so I'm glad it's not that. I think this is cool, but it's EA, so I'm just being really hesitant to get excited about this. Hopefully, the curse doesn't apply to Patrick Mahomes, because I like the guy. That's it, though. We got kind of a career mode, kind of. Hey, maybe by Madden 40, we'll actually have a career mode where we can choose what we want. All right, boys. I'll see you later. Peace out.